I've been told several times on my comments that my monotone sounding voice is very calming, but I think it's kind of boring. So let me know what you guys think, because I feel like I could be a tad a bit more bubbly and maybe more people would like me, but I just don't get that excited about stuff. So I apologize for my non-enthusiastic voice. Welcome back, my little punkies. If you're new here, I'm Dani and welcome to my channel. If you love IGirl, aka the internet girl, aka Bella, then hit that like button because you're going to like this video, because I also love Bella, not only because she has great style, but she is also killing it on Depop and with the IGirl bundles and her jewelry line and just selling stuff on Depop. I am always going to be a fan of a young woman becoming independently wealthy on her own, puts in the hard work and effort, and I think she's well deserving of success that she's had so far, because it's not easy. I'm like super a fan of women that can do that, because I've been trying for years and haven't been successful at it. So anybody that succeeds at that deserves all the admiration. If you haven't watched my IGirl unboxing video, you should watch that first. I will pop up a link to the video and I will wait while you go watch that. Go ahead, I'll wait. If you're still here, then you must have already watched that video, so let's get into why I decided to make this video. I wanted to make this video because I've seen some negative comments about how $150 plus shipping for the IGirl bundle is not worth it, and there's two reasons why I think that it is. First one is that it's been said that all of these pieces that she includes in the bundle can be found in any thrift store for $10 or less, and I completely disagree with that, because if you live in a rural podunk town like I do, you're not going to be able to find Betsey Johnson or Lazy Oaf pieces in your local thrift store. Most of the people that live where I live don't even know who Betsey Johnson is. If they do, they only think she makes purses and have no clue that she's an actual fashion designer that's been around for years, a very successful fashion designer. Either way, I'm not finding Betsey Johnson pieces in my thrift store. I'm also not going to find any Lazy Oaf, because most people that live around here have no clue what the brand Lazy Oaf is, so there's not going to be any of those in a thrift store. So I disagree with that. The second thing is that the price is not worth it for the 2 or 3 outfits that she includes in the bundle. And that's the main reason why I decided to do this video, is that she's not giving you 2 to 3 outfits. She's giving you pieces that she styles a certain way. You can take those pieces and create a bunch more outfits with it, which is what I did today. I took the pieces that she included and I came up with 5 other outfits. So she originally included 3 outfits, and now I'm creating 5 different outfits. So that's 8 different outfits, and I'm pretty sure I could have came up with a half a dozen more outfits from these pieces that were included. So $150 plus shipping for half a dozen outfits, and her time that she put into curating the pieces based on what I told her I liked. The fact that she includes some of her own jewelry line in there that are generally not thrift store prices. So I absolutely think that $150 plus shipping is worth it for the IGirl bundle. I'm going to show you the original styled outfit from the IGirl bundle with the pieces, and then I'm going to show you how I changed it by incorporating my own pieces. I'm just going to go through the pieces that she included in the bundle, and then I will show a little try-on video segment with the 2 different original and my new outfit on the screen. So the first thing that she included in the bundle was this green and black color block retro looking dress that is from All That Jazz. Super loved this dress, and the way that she intended on me to wear it, I super loved, and it was actually my husband's favorite outfit out of the bundle. He super loved this outfit, so I'm gonna style it a little bit differently. I mean, it is a dress, so there's only so much you can do with a dress, but I did style it a little bit differently, so let's take a look at how I styled this with my own pieces from my closet. The next two items she paired together as an outfit, and the top is this like lingerie lace corset-y top, and the brand is from IGirl, and she paired it with the Lazy Oaf bloomers, and they super went well together. It almost like made like a slip dress look. So I'm going to style these in two different ways, the top with one look and the bloomers with another look. So I will show you those two looks. The next two items were paired together, and that is this somewhat sheer turtleneck that is from Betty's Blue, and it's got like pink and purple and yellow and like a turquoise color, and she paired that with these black Betsy Johnson harem pants that are vintage, and I am going to style these two things separately. So let's see how I styled those. So that is all of the outfits that I came up with, and again, I could have came up with half a dozen more outfits with these pieces, if not more. If you have recently purchased an IGirl bundle, don't just think that the outfits that Bella included in the bundle is the only way that you can wear those. Mix and match the different pieces. Also take pieces from your wardrobe and put with the pieces that she included and come up with more outfits, and you will definitely get your money's worth if you do it that way, because if you're just going to wear them in those 2 or 3 outfits that she gives you, then you may feel like it wasn't worth the price. But I feel like mine was worth the price, and I am going to actually purchase another one here soon and recommend it people at least buy one bundle, just because it's so much fun to get one of these mystery style boxes, because it's kind of like Christmas and that you don't know what you're getting. You just have this package and you open it up and you're super excited to see what you got. So I super love that aspect of it, and if you're very specific with what you tell her that your style is, then your bundle is going to be way better. So don't just tell her to just do her thing and like just expect for her to read your mind. I mean, you really have to tell her what you like, what you don't like, and the exact, vibes that you're going for. I will continue to purchase from her because I think her stuff is super on trend right now, and the jewelry's super cute, and I love these style bundles, and I am going to actually try to purchase some other mystery style bundles from other sellers on Depop, because I just love this idea of having somebody else style me than just coming up with my own stuff. It's kind of a cool concept to relinquish the responsibility of coming up with stuff and having somebody else come up with outfits for me. So if you like Bella, again, give this video a thumbs up. You'd like to be one of my little punkies, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, because I like to say that my schedule is Monday and Friday, but my work is super crazy right now, and by the time I get home I'm like exhausted and I don't really feel like shooting videos. So I kind of been posting stuff on Saturdays or Sundays, so if you hit the bell you will definitely be notified when I post. So it is actually beneficial, because it's hard for me to post when I say I'm going to. So my question of the day is, who is your favorite YouTuber? I've been finding some new people that I've not subscribed to recently, and I'm super loving their videos. So anybody that you think I should check out, comment down below and let me know who your favorite YouTubers are. A few of mine are obviously Jeffree Star, Safia Nygar, I'm not sure if that's how you say her name, but I super love her stuff. Sophie Hannah, Lena Bugs. Comment down below who your favorites are. Remember, same is lame, so embrace your weirdness, and I will see you guys in the next video.